4 places to find graphics for your next website. If you stick around to the end, I will show you an amazing resource. Here are a list of graphic design websites to check out. If you're looking for a simple and thin outline graphic, check out Undraw. This library of graphics allows you to search terms that you're looking for and adjust the graphic color all at once. If you enjoy customizing the color of the graphics, you'll also enjoy iradesign.io. Iradesign has a very gradient color concept. If you don't like the template designs, you're able to mix and match them however you please. If you're looking for more of a bold color graphics, check out Blush. Blush has various people, scenery, sticker graphics. This site allows you to mismatch the background and color. If you're enjoying the colored graphics, you will enjoy Design Stripe. Design Stripe allows you to add or remove the fun graphic details and edit the look and feel of the design. If you want a similar design, there's a shuffle variation too. This is the resource that I'm telling you about. If you are designing with Figma, you need this plugin. This plugin eliminates downloading the graphics one at a time. You can search through different illustration styles by simply dragging and dropping them into your Figma page. If you want to learn how to install the plugin, I will link it in the description box below or add it to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Let me know which one is your favorite graphic library, and let me know if I missed your favorite graphic library.